So a lot of times people wonder, can you wrap things other than cars, trucks, and SUVs? I don't know. You tell me. Today's project, we got a large party bus. Large. The biggest. The biggest we've ever done over here in this shop. The shop is not that big, but we was able to get this in here. And what we going with? Spray wrap. We're gonna go with a liquid spray wrap that is also removable, just like a vinyl wrap. Color we're going for, satin black. We got everything pretty much masked off. Got a few more things to mask off, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. But here, masking is important. Make sure you mask off everything properly, because you want a successful job, especially doing something this large. You don't want to have to go back. When we get to that roof, we're not going to take it all the way up to the top. We're going to do a portion that's viewable to the streets. So therefore, everything will look totally black. This area here has been sanded. What's going to happen is, prep it right, clean it right, the wrap will stick. Take it all the way to the back, man. This is a large party bus. And we're gonna bring life to it. Let's finish up, let's get started. So the products that we're gonna be working with today is Dip Your Car products. We're gonna use the Plasti Dip brand. And we're gonna go with the matte black, then we're gonna hit it with the satin clear. This is something new, so we're gonna see what the finish turn out to be. I think it's gonna be an amazing finish. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And remember, this is not a tutorial video. This here is pretty much just showing you how far you can go with this product. Let's get started. We're gonna mix it. So that concludes the end of the video. And I made this video to show you all that you can pretty much wrap anything. Now here's the change though. This is a spray wrap, right? Now when you're doing things that's gonna take a heavy wind current or water currents like jet skis or boats, you wanna revert over to vinyl wraps because they're more durable. A spray wrap will not survive anything that's in the water. I don't care what it is, it will not survive it. Like I said, revert to a vinyl wrap. Now this right here, basic black, it's a party bus. Therefore, they got what they wanted. You let me know, leave it in the comments, tell me what you think. You think this here was impossible? You think this here was a hard task? You think this is something you would do? Let me know in the comments. Thank y'all for watching this video, my subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Hit that subscribe button down there and show some support. Catch y'all on the next video.